roads by torrential rain and flooding will take months to repair and will cost millions of pounds, according to the County Council. More than 270 weather-related incidents were reported on the county's highways over the weekend.
Meanwhile, an East Devon woman and her family managed to rescue her elderly mother from the rising floodwater in Axminster. From there, Lee Rundle sends this report.
The floodwaters receded almost as swiftly as they had advanced, leaving a trail of destruction. Many of those affected are still in a state of shock. Among them, Sandra Lander, who helped to rescue her elderly mother.
What happened was I called for my daughter and she went and got some friends, and my partner here, he came in as well. We found a deck chair that was floating past the house. They grabbed that, brought the chair in. We got my mum onto the chair where they all physically carried her and waved through the water to get her to safety.
Tonight, 18 bungalows in Willhays Park are uninhabitable. When the flood descended, there was no time to salvage belongings.
Oh, hell of a shock, yeah. Just devastation. Just been here, lived in Axminster for 15 years and never, ever seen anything like it at all. We've seen the river right up, but never, ever like this, ever.
Lawnmower ruined, water came in. I couldn't believe it. 4 foot of water going out of there, and 4 foot of water going down there. And it lasted for 4 hours.
It's prompted calls for an urgent review of flood defences.
So we want to make sure that the flood defences are still adequate, that they haven't been breached, that they weren't blocked, and that this sort of thing won't happen again.
Tonight, though, residents face a long wait before they'll be able to return to their homes. Lee Rundle, BBC Spotlight, Axminster.
So